Remove this cover. Use a pry bar to pry it open. Remove the cover plate. Take out the string lights. This ground wire. Press this location. Connect the interface. Tighten the screws. This end with the hook. Take this position. After the lid is opened, hook it up. Put the lid back on. It's powered on. Remove the tape. When installing the light bar, the position can be shifted a little to the left, so the length of the line is just right. This sensor. The sensing effect is best when placed horizontally. Try not to. It doesn't stand up well. If we install, if this light bar is too close to the right, the length is a bit long, not easy to fix. So you need to move a little to the left. Use our buckle to fix it. There's 3 meters glue on the back. Tear off and stick fixed. Just go like this. Load against the gap. Load along the edge. This gap is longer. If the light bar is a bit long during installation, reserve a point at the joint position. Just cut it off. It's okay. Put on the tape. Thread it all the way around the edge. Hide the interface. Check it one more time. Check it out. 3 seconds. Turn off the lights. Turn on the light. Close the lid and check it. This gap can be seen. Lights out. Turn on automatic light. Manual mode. Brightness adjustment.